Christopher Tesdale. Christopher Tesdale c. 1592 c. 1655 was a member of the Westminster Assembly of Divines from 1643 to 1649 and a canon of Chichester and Wells. Early life and education. He was born into the influential Tesdale family of Abingdon around c. 1592. He was educated at John Royce's Free School in Abingdon, now Abingdon School. He later studied at New College, Oxford, gaining a Master of Arts on 19 June 1618, and then was a Fellow of Pembroke College, Oxford. Career. His was the pastor at Hurstbourne, Tarrant, and was a supporter of the Parliament during the English Civil War. He became a member of the Westminster Assembly of Divines from 1643 to 1649 and was a canon of Chichester and Wells. He was the cousin of Thomas Tesdale and was tasked as valuer, witness and keeper of Thomas' will in addition to receiving. Christopher was given payments in the will for the remainder of his life. His sermon Hieru Salem, or A Vision of Peace, held at St. Margaret's, Westminster, before the House of Commons on 28 August 1644, was published by Richard Coates of London.